The first in the deadly coronavirus outbreak. The U.S. Embassy in Beijing confirmed overnight that the first American has died from the virus at the epicenter in the Chinese city of Wuhan. The outbreak is responsible for more than 720 deaths. All but 2 have occurred in mainland China. More than 34,000 people have been infected with the virus worldwide, including at least 12 confirmed cases of the virus right here in the United States. Michael George is here with more details on the latest death. Michael, good morning.
Well, good morning. The embassy offered very few details on the American who died, but we do know they were 60 years old and that they died on Wednesday in a hospital in Wuhan. The death occurred as hundreds of American evacuees prepared for their return to the U.S. Roughly 300 American evacuees arrived at military bases around the U.S., all of them coming from Wuhan, China, the epicenter of the coronavirus outbreak.
Certainly, it's concerning.
Dr. Henry Walk of the CDC leads the coronavirus response team at Travis Air Force Base in California, where more than 200 passengers are under quarantine. Walk says 5 of the evacuees displayed symptoms and were hospitalized.
Fever or shortness of breath, along with any cough, for example.
Other flights loaded with evacuees landed in Omaha, Nebraska and San Antonio, Texas, where health officials wearing hazmat suits escorted passengers off planes to start a 14-day quarantine.
I am happy to report that we did not find any evidence of illness among the passengers who landed here today.
The largest single group of confirmed infections outside China exists in Japan on the Diamond Princess cruise ship.
You can see that this is tiny house living.
At least 3,400 passengers and crew are currently on board. The ship has been docked in Yokohama since Wednesday. More than 60 passengers, including at least 11 Americans, tested positive for the virus.
We take our temperature a minimum of 3 times a day.
And in China, nearly 60 million people are still on some kind of partial or total public transportation lockdown to try to contain the virus. New research suggests the pangolin, an endangered mammal whose scales are highly valued in Chinese medicine, may have passed the virus to humans. And U.S.-based cruise lines are taking their own precautions. Royal Caribbean International and Norwegian cruise lines issued bans for any guest holding a Chinese, Hong Kong, or Macau passport, regardless of residency. Jeff?
All right, Michael, thank you very much.